Yo, Tobot over here. So day one is over, and this is a follow-up video on the Kilmes Flicker Strike that I said I'd be doing. So first of all, this is not the best axe I got, but it's pretty good for now. I haven't gotten around to crafting the good axe yet, but this is just fine. And the build is doing just good. Like, it's doing T16s, I'm not dying, like I'm leveling up at the moment. And it's doing pretty well. And also the frenzy rings, they are easy to get. Okay, so I think something like this, it cost me 40 chaos. The most important one is just the life. I'm gonna show you how I craft these as well. Now I also got gifts from above with frenzy charge. I'm gonna show you how you craft that as well. Let's just go over this. So how I made these rings is you just buy the most cheap, like the cheapest frenzy charge ring on the market, okay? And as you can see, they're only like, what, 10 chaos or something. And then what you can do is you spam it with tainted chaos, okay? And you hope you're gonna hit life or some resistances, something good. See, I hit both fire and lightning. This could be used. It's actually not that bad. Could even sell it. 3 divines, as you see. But if you brick it, because when you use tainted chaos on the rings, they can brick, okay? And if they brick, then you want to use a tinted mythic orb on it, okay? And you want to use it on the diamond ring, because the diamond ring, it can turn into gifts from above. And it's like a T4 ring. I think it's 30 or 40% chance that you hit the gifts from above. So pretty easy. Extremely good ring with the frenzy charges on it, right? And of course I got the Kilmes Heart. There's not a whole lot else that I want to go over. But the build is pretty good, the build pretty strong. And I'll of course do a day 2 video as well. But I'm gonna be farming now, so yeah. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I usually reply. You guys have fun out there. See you in the next one. Bye bye.